starting a series because I'm bored. Today we're talking about HYBE. Yeah, this fat dude. HYBE's a goddamn fanboy. Anyway, you may know some of your fave groups like TXT and HYBE and New Jeans and Cat's Eye and Eyelet. The groups have a dark goddamn past, like Heesung getting kicked out of HYBE. Anyway, Danielle getting kicked out of New Jeans, Mano taking the longest hiatus ever, and Youngso leaving Eyelet to join this all-day project thingy. TXT. So HYBE abused TXT even when they were trainees. It made them have like the stupidest name ever, because I don't even know who thought of that, but let's still support our dear TXT. But like, seriously, bitch, you could not do better. Like, New Jeans. So according to the internet and HYBE, Danielle signed 4 different terminal contracts, whatever how you say it, and apparently canceled her contract at HYBE, causing her to get kicked out of the goddamn group. And HYBE. So Heesung got kicked out of the group by HYBE Lab, like was forced to leave to pursue a goddamn solo career, in which I hate HYBE Lab and HYBE for that. And he apparently didn't want to leave the group, so poor Heesung. Fuck you, dude. Cat's Eye. So Cat's Eye is a global girl group under HYBE Entertainment, and they just debuted like 2 years ago. And Mano is on hiatus for health and well-being, so get better, Mano. And Danielle's stupid dad is racist. Eyelet. Anyway, so there's nothing really wrong with Eyelet because they're the best. And people say their new comeback, not cute anymore, was buns and ass, but in reality it's the most sweetheart thing. So Youngso left this amazing, popular, cute group to join all day project, and they got accused of copying New Jeans concept, and Wonhee gets hate as an 18-fucking-year-old, and she got forced to read her own hate comments on live. Yeah, so I don't know what else to fucking say here. So anyway, now we know that this fat ass dude deserves to flop because he is one of the worst people. He is worse than YG, in which YG doesn't do anything.